Okay, let's go ahead and install Python on macOS. What you want to do is open up your favorite browser and then in the URL type in www.python.org. This is going to take you to the Python website. Now before we actually download Python, let me show you something that might be a little bit interesting. You can actually start using Python right now in the web browser by clicking on this yellow button, Launch Interactive Shell. Now it will probably take you a few moments. It's going to depend upon how fast your internet connection is. But what's going to happen is it's going to load up a Python shell and you can actually start using Python however long it takes for it to load. And so we can actually start setting some things up right now. So I can make a variable a equal 10, variable b equal 11, and then I can say variable c equals a plus b, and then print variable c. And so 21. 10 plus 11 is 21. Okay, let's get to downloading. Hover over the Downloads tab, and then hover over the button here. Notice it says Download for macOS. If you're on Windows, it's going to say Download for Windows. Click on the button, and then allow the download to begin. This will depend upon your internet connection, how long it takes to download. So just wait until it has completely downloaded. Okay, the installer file has now downloaded. Go ahead and click on the installer file, and we're going to let the installer window open up. Click Continue. Don't have to worry about paths. And then click Continue again, Continue again. Yep, we're going to agree, because if we don't, it won't install. Click Install, and then after that, you're going to have to type in your system password. Now it's going to go through the installation process. All right, we now have Python installed. Well, let's go ahead and check and see what version of Python we have. So we can go ahead and close. Congratulations, Python's installed. Let's go ahead and move the installer now to the trash because we're done. You can close your browser. Now if you go up to the search icon right here, Spotlight Search, and just type in terminal, that's going to open up the default terminal for macOS. And so here we are in the default terminal. Let me go ahead and resize some things here a little bit. All right. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what version of Python we have. Python 3 version 3.10.6. What happens if we type Python? Now this is going to open up Python 2.7, which I do not want. So let's type in Python 3, and it opens up Python 3.10.6. Now there is another way that we can open up Python, and that's using the editing shell that it comes with, or the editor that it comes with, and this is called idle. And so clicking on idle, I'm going to allow, and now it opens up idle, so which is the default text editor, or the IDE that comes with Python. But now Python 3.10 is installed. God bless you, wherever you are today.